Now that school is out and the kids aren't here, the machines just kind of sat idle. In watching the worldwide events unfold and keeping my finger on the pulse of the 3D community, I saw that a lot of the community was beginning to mobilize and trying to find a response to the shortage of personal protective equipment that law enforcement, medical professionals, anyone really who's dealing with the public, they're having shortages all across the nation. So as the 3D community started to respond to that need locally, I thought to myself, we had to do something about it because we're sending this huge resource. As I understand it, this is the largest 3D lab in a public school here in the state. And I just thought it'd be a shame that if we didn't do anything about it and we just watch things happen rather than act. You know, we're always telling our kids to look at the world around them, find problems and solve them. And this is a great way for us to model that. So we just dove right in. We contacted the Cumberland County Board. We got in touch with Fayetteville Police Department, and through their negotiations working out with each other, they have an agreement, and they provide the materials, and we're providing the expertise and the equipment on site, and we've been rocking since April 2nd now. We can do about 25 masks in about 4 hours. So in a day, we're trying to fit in about 3 shifts, where we come in the morning, about 8 o'clock, we'll clean the machines from the evening sprints, cycle them again, we'll hang out, do some work over here, post-production for a shift. 4 hours up, we'll turn them over again. And then one of us will try to come in the evening after get in touch with the building admin. He's been very gracious, comes open the door anytime we ask. We come in, work for an hour, then we go back home again. So we're doing what we can to kind of keep the machines running at least 12, 18, 20 hours a day if we can. If we can run all day long, then we can put out about 75 masks with the inserts that go inside as well. Being in here in this moment, in this capacity, is quite unique. I don't know, it's pretty cool, but we're really not thinking too much in that direction, I guess. We're all very techie and engineering kind of at heart. So we want the products to work, we want them to be functional, you know, we're all kind of concerned about that on our end. I guess we'll worry about eating cake later when it's all over with.